Welcome to our guide on how to lock your Facebook profile on PC. Follow these steps to enhance the security and privacy of your account. Step 1. Begin by navigating to facebook.com in your web browser. Step 2. Locate and click on the 3 horizontal dots symbol on the upper right corner of your profile. Step 3. You'll find this icon situated in the top right corner of your profile page. Step 4. Choose the option to lock profile and proceed with the confirmation. Step 5. If this feature is accessible in your region, it will be displayed towards the bottom of the menu. More details about locking your profile will be provided. Step 6. Once confirmed, your profile content will be restricted to only your friends, ensuring increased privacy. Step 7. To unlock your Facebook profile, simply click on the 3 dots icon and select Unlock Profile at any time. By following these steps, you can effectively control who can view your profile content and safeguard your privacy on Facebook. Take charge of your online security by locking your profile today. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more valuable tips and tutorials.